Just starting in internal audit, but don't know where to begin? Recently appointed, assigned to an audit, but missing structure, tools, and confidence? You're not alone. No one has really taught you the ins and outs of the job, and more importantly, you don't need to guess anymore. The CSIA, Certified Specialist in Internal Audit Certification, is the ideal gateway that transforms beginners into credible, confident, and effective auditors from their very first assignments. Many internal auditors, whether new or recently appointed, are thrown into assignments with no clear framework, no structured support, and no actionable guidance. The result? Uncertainty, loss of confidence, low-value delivery, and even worse, a damaged reputation for the audit function and for the profession as a whole. Yet this noble profession is governed by principles, rules, and best practices that must be mastered in order to bring real added value to the organization. That's exactly what CSIA delivers. A clear framework, a step-by-step methodology, ready-to-use tools, immediately operational skills. Upon completion of this program, you will be able to plan, execute, and close audit engagements professionally, identify risks, evaluate controls, and deliver value-adding recommendations, write impactful, structured audit reports, and most importantly, adopt the mindset of a credible, trusted internal auditor. No more guesswork. In other words, by the end of the CSIA program, you will learn to understand the strategic role of internal audit in governance, risk management, and internal control. Apply a proven methodology to structure every phase of an audit engagement with professionalism, identify, assess, and document key risks linked to process objectives, evaluate the effectiveness of internal controls, and draw relevant, risk-based findings, communicate clear, actionable, and value-added recommendations to key stakeholders, conduct a rigorous follow-up of corrective actions, and adopt a disciplined, ethical, and credible audit posture aligned with professional expectations. In an increasingly demanding corporate environment, getting certified is no longer optional. It's a strategic decision. The CSIA, Certified Specialist in Internal Audit Certification, offers you powerful benefits. Validate your practical skills. It certifies that you have mastered not only the concepts, but also the methods and tools to perform an internal audit assignment in accordance with international best practices. Boost your employability. Recruiters and employers are looking for certified auditors who are capable of quickly becoming operational and autonomous. The CSIA positions you as a credible professional who is ready for action. Accelerate your entry into the job. You gain confidence and efficiency from your very first assignments with a clear and structured framework. No more uncertainty and improvisation. You stand out in the market. In a competitive environment, every major certification is a mark of professionalism and commitment. Access a progressive specialization path. The CSIA is the gateway to an even more comprehensive curriculum. You can continue with the CRBIA, Risk-Based Audit, and the CMIA, Strategic Management of the Audit Function, to move into strategic positions. By becoming CSIA certified, you are making the choice of recognition, autonomy, and excellence. Don't let your career stagnate. Give it the boost it deserves. Join hundreds of professionals who have already chosen competence, credibility, and career growth with the CSIA certification. Register now and start your journey to becoming a certified specialist in internal audit. Visit our website www.gecb.us